So this is the ir-thermostat that I built with an ESP8266 controller. So if I just go ahead and boot it up, you'll see the little boot up screen as it connects to the internet. So right here you're seeing a status screen, and if I push the white button I can see a menu like that. So now I can also change the temperature, and what you just saw also on the bottom right was the web page that also comes with this, that's hosted by a Node.js server. All of the controls for the air conditioner are available within the menu and using these three buttons. If you're curious, the red button at the top left reboots the ESP board in case of a problem. So now what you can see is all those changes that I just made reflect on the new status screen. This contraption is based on a Node MCU ESP8266 board with 3 buttons and 10K resistors holding them down. There's also a small 16 by 2 character LCD with an LCD to I to C, which is like a serial adapter to use less pins.